Within the Mockingbird platform, we have curated an extensive list of CME courses for you to have available with the click of a button. Although we do not create CME content, we are able to provide you with access to many courses from various content providers. We call this our Learning Center. Here, you will find a list of courses, and you're able to refine those courses by credit type, category, and even sell price. 60% of what we have available on the platform is free. You're then able to also use this search bar where you can type in whatever topic that you want to do a course in, or if you're looking for a particular content provider. You can click on any one of these courses and it'll pull up an overview of the course, what you're going to gain by taking this course. This course is free, but if it had a sell price, it would also be listed here. Some faculty information, accreditation, and lastly, the button to actually take the course. When you go to take this course, it will take you to the third-party website where you can take that course and then upload the certificate back into your Mockingbird account upon completion. You could also email that certificate to trackcme@mockingbird.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at contact@mockingbird.com. Thank you.